That second one is a shadow. They're in the toolbox on the other side. Toolbox other side. Sky's full of them. Wow, I ain't never seen it like that. Let's see what I record. Well, we can talk because I can fix this thing on it. Look at that, that's some weird shit now. I mean, any way you look at it. See it? Definitely. And you know, that's what he said look for. Ain't it? Triangles. And there's a very dominant one right there. There's a couple of them. Look there. There's 2 or 3 of them. And then they say, and he says that they've got smaller aircraft that like docks with them, and it flies out. It's small and they're gray. It flies out and puffs more clouds out. I mean, this is wow. I kill trees every day, living or dying. That's what I'm putting. Everything's some good names, Shane. This big monster over here. Look at the sun, Jay. Look at the sun. Look. Oh, Bobby, just look. That's weird. Look at that. It flashes up just about here. Look at what it looks like. You know what? I just love clouds. There's another ship. Look at that square. Hey, there's a pyramid. Or see it? There they are. See, it's like see that pyramid? See that sharp angle? That's what he says looking for. But hell, we've been looking at that. You know, ever since we started. You can see what the ball. Can't see what the ball. It's square down. And if that's true, which apparently it might be. That one. Tried to get my glass when I wasn't looking. What did you? Look at this shit. This is some wild, crazy shit. Look at them clouds over there. Now look at that one, Jane. Look.
Yep.
Yeah, like you can't tell me. And look, man, look at this shit. Look at those way over there on the bottom. Wow, now this is kind of
Look at
shit.
the sun rays going through that cloud.
Where? Yeah, I see it. This is some crazy, crazy shit. Y'all can edit the voice out. This is crazy shit, Jane. It's true. See, there's another one. A triangle-shaped stealth craft. If that's true, that's, you know. Wow. This is crazy. Look at that. Look, Jane. A V. See it over there? The V. A perfect V. Look. Look how her before it disappears, before it cloaks itself. See it?
Yep.
Cloaking. We've been talking about cloaking 10 years ago. We knew about it. Anyway, but I tell you what, I never thought I'd. And if I wonder if that's really what it is, because if it is, and it might be, you know. There's all kind. It looks like there's all kind of shit up there, don't it? What if that's what it really is?
It ain't the same as it used to be.
Look at it, or look at that one.
Like a big old round right there.
Where?
Like that ship. That bell.
Look at that one right there. It comes out like fins on each end. See it? And that looks like an astronaut. He's big too. Man, this is freaking me out, Jane. Ain't freaking me out. Little cloakies. Look at the sun. That looks weird.
Oh, I can see it.
What?
The sun might shade it behind them clouds. I'm looking directly at it. But the brightness is down below it, not the sun.
I see. Is that not weird? Looks like the moon. How many times you ever seen that happen? Look at that. That looks like a V-shaped craft with people standing on it. You've got to, what do you think? Look, there's another one. If that's true, you know, if we had all day, look at that. Look at that pyramid. Look. There's a pyramid,
That's
and then
what
look
I'm
at.
saying, because it's clear. Let me see my phone. Cool.
There it is. That's it. That's got to be one. Because, you know, that's exactly what he says look for. Those lines right there. Cloaked crafts. We are looking at them, Jane. We're looking at them bastards. Wow. The new squares up there and triangles. Hey, can you look at them shadows with your with them binoculars and see through them and see the actual craft? The binoculars. Can you look through those clouds with the binoculars and see the actual craft? Hey, look at this. Man, we got a smorgasbord today. Ookie bookie! Look at there, Jane. I told you they lived in the sky. Told you. I seen them up there. Oh. Wow. So does this mean certain doom or what? That's plenty.